Attention ladies and gentlemen, this is your dining car. Just letting you know, folks, at this time the dining car is closed for breakfast service. We will be making an announcement letting you know when lunch will start. Lunch will be a first come, first served basis. So if you're interested, just listen out for that announcement. Thank you.
Now that I'm not rudely interrupted, this is Donner Lake and the Donner Pass in the Sierra Nevada.
1845 were the first immigrant party to use this route over the Sierra Nevada, considered the most difficult of all the crossings of this range. On October 31, 1846, heavy snows near the east end of the lake halted an immigrant party led by George Donner. The party had departed from Illinois in the spring of that year. After falling victim to ill-advised detours and suffering other delays, the Donner Party found itself attempting to cross the Sierra Nevada during an early and severe winter. Most of the party remained trapped at the lake, but several members struggled through the snow to obtain help at Sutter's Fort in Sacramento. The survivors were rescued 5 months later after suffering great hardships. Of the 89 people who began the trek, only 47 survived. The story of the Donner Party, as well as other information about the history of the region and the railroad, can be found at Donner Memorial State Park. The park, located at the east end of the lake, has a museum, which is open year-round, and a campground open during the spring and all summer.
Have to go through a snow shed so that when it snows the train can keep going.